how to use digital products for passive income. Want to make money while you sleep? Here's how. Imagine waking up to an extra $500 in your account without lifting a finger. No boss, no alarm clock, no stress. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Stick around, because today I'm revealing how you can leverage digital products to build a stream of passive income that works for you, even while you're binge watching your favorite Netflix series. Get ready, this is the game changer you've been waiting for. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the power of digital products, but you'll have the exact steps to start earning your first passive income, starting today. Let's start with the obvious question. Why should you care about passive income? Here's the truth. The traditional way of earning money is broken. You trade hours for dollars, constantly hustling, and guess what? Your income stays capped. But what if you could stop trading time for money and instead let money work for you? Now, before you say, that's too complicated for me, let me remind you. This isn't about being an expert, it's about getting started. Anyone can do this, and digital products are the easiest and most scalable way to make money passively. With the right strategy, you could create a product once and sell it forever. That's the power of digital products. So let's dive into the 5 digital products that will transform your financial future, starting with the first one that has completely revolutionized the game. Point 1. Ebooks and digital guides. First up, ebooks and digital guides. Here's the kicker. You can write an ebook about anything, whether it's how to make the best avocado toast. Yes, you could totally sell that. Or a self-help guide on building confidence. The beauty is, once it's done, it sells itself. Here's the best part. You create it once, and for as long as people keep buying, your bank account keeps growing. Plus, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Gumroad, or even your own website make the selling part ridiculously simple. Now, here's the catch. It's not about creating a masterpiece, it's about solving a problem for someone. The faster you get started, the faster you make money. And remember, people pay for convenience, not perfection. Point 2, online courses. Next up, online courses. Look, we're talking big bucks here. If you have a skill, whether it's coding, photography, digital marketing, or even playing an instrument, you can monetize it by teaching others. Platforms like Teachable or Udemy make it so simple to host your courses and get them in front of a global audience. People are looking for guidance, and the best part is you don't have to teach in real time. Once your course is created, it's out there making you money 24/7. But here's where most people mess up. They try to overcomplicate the course creation. Start small. Focus on one thing you can teach that people are already paying for. That's your entry point. Point 3. Printables and digital templates. Now, I bet you didn't expect this one. Printables and digital templates. You know those planners, budgeting spreadsheets, or even Instagram templates? People buy them all the time, and they cost next to nothing to create. Whether it's a meal prep template, a fitness planner, or even Canva templates, digital products like these are gold mines for passive income. And the best part? They're quick to make, low effort, and they sell while you're on vacation. Seriously, if you can design something useful and eye-catching, there's a market for it. Once you upload your templates to a site like Etsy or Gumroad, they keep selling while you sleep. No need to deal with inventory, packaging, or shipping. Point 4, software and apps. Now here's where things get next level. If you've got a knack for tech or even an idea for solving a specific problem, consider creating a software or app. Think about it. How much does the average person spend on apps every single day? Tons. Creating an app, or SaaS, software as a service. Business can be intimidating, but it's one of the most scalable forms of passive income. Whether it's a budgeting app or a productivity tool, once you've built it, it can generate income without any further input from you. But here's the thing. You need a strong idea and you need to market it. You'll need to do the work up front, but once you're in the game, the possibilities are endless. Point 5, membership and subscription services. Finally, let's talk about membership and subscription services. This is where things get exciting. Imagine creating a community, offering exclusive content, and having people pay monthly for access. We're talking about a recurring revenue stream, the holy grail of passive income. Whether it's exclusive newsletters, content, or access to a VIP community, subscriptions are the future. Once you have a loyal following, this can generate a predictable, consistent income forever. But don't sleep on this. You need to build trust, provide value, and create a strong community. People are paying for access to you. Are you ready for it? So there you have it. Ebooks, online courses, printable apps, and memberships. These are your golden tickets to passive income. The truth is, anyone can start building wealth through digital products. The question is, are you going to take action today or let this opportunity slip away? Let me know in the comments which product you're going to start with. And as always, make sure you're subscribed for more tips on building wealth and living your best life. Don't just dream about wealth, make it your reality. I'll see you in the next video.